got this. This is a mystery box from Lankybox my uncle got for me. Today I'm opening this box. Let's see what's inside this. Now I'm opening this. I got my scissors. I should have this opened by my fingers now. I got it open. Yeah. Wow, it's a mystery box. Let me open this. Wow, there are so many packets. Now we are opening this. Let's see this here. What did I get? It looks like Foxy. Yeah, it's a squishy. Need this open. Where did the scissors go? It's Foxy I got. Got Foxy. I need to cut these out with scissors. Now I have Foxy. Hey, hey. Let's see the next packet. It's Foxy. Let's see, what is this one? I think this is the puppet. Hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I got it out. The boxy puppy. Let's get the another pack. Open. Get that back. Let's get that. I got that. Oh. Yay, my favorite. Ghosty. Woo! Let's see the last packet. I think we got all of these. Now it's time for the stickers. Now we got the stickers. I got Rocky. Let's rock and roll. Let's open the packet. Yeah. Got Rocky, the Lankybox sign, and Boxy. Hey, the milk. I got Squishy, Foxy. It's squishy. Next, I got the figure Foxy and Boxy puppet. Pop, 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 pop. And I got Ghosty figure. I got Rocky, the Lankybox sign, and Boxy stickers. So happy I got all these. Yeah. Thank you guys. I hope you like my videos. It's Tick Foxy. Bye.